Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you what is Shopify and how does it work. Let's get started. So if you're hoping to make your first online store, then Shopify is the right app for you. As you can see right here, I have here the Shopify dashboard. You can also have this by just signing up to Shopify, and they also have this trial right here for 3 days that you can extend for only $1 for your first month, and then around $19 to $300 and the succeeding month, depending on the plan that you want. So speaking of plans, let's first see the plans that they offer right here. So in here, you can see that they have these plans for basic, which is perfect for solo entrepreneurs. Shopify plan, which is perfect for small teams as they have 5 additional sub accounts. This advanced plan has here a 15 additional sub account if you have a slightly larger team. And for sure, they also have the Shopify Plus, which is for more complex businesses that have this a fully customizable checkout with 40 times capacity and wholesale of back-to-back. So in here, let me just head over and then select a plan right here that suits for you. So just which one is for you, or you can also just scroll that in order to see in here the full list of features that they offer on each plan. So once you have selected the plan, or you can also just try it out first if you are using this trial, you can see the Shopify right here, have here a homepage or a to-do list for you to set up your first official store. So under the orders right here, you will show in here the actual order that you have processed or the actual order from customers. They also have here the products. In here, you can add in all the products that you have created or the products that you want to be drop ship. You can just head over and click on this add product right here or just click on the import right here. So technically, Shopify is an online store if you want to sell courses, digital products, drop ship, or anything more. So it's like Amazon, but it is more efficient as you can actually design the web page yourself. You don't have to have a store itself, but in here you have a whole new thing of web page wherein you can add a new more pages that you want to add. In here, you can also see in here the customers that you have. You can import them or you can add a new customer. And also see in here the content you have, as well as this analytics, marketing, and discounts that you can offer to your actual customers. In here, you can see the online store that you have. So by default, the theme of your online store will be the Dawn theme right here. So as you can see, this is the current theme. And you can click on this right here in order to customize the theme right here. So let me just see what it looks like right now. So I have clicked in here my store, and this is what it looks like. I can browse the latest products, which is right here. And you can actually edit it out on the products page itself. So you can just head over to that and edit it out. You can also see here the catalog, wherein you can see all of the products that they offer, as well as the contact right here, wherein how the customers can reach you. So you can utilize all of this right here. You can also add a few more pages by just customizing this current theme that you have. So in here, you can also add a new thing. If you don't want this dumb theme right here, you can choose the spotlight, this refresh, or anything right here that is from Shopify. Another thing that you can do is you can head over in here and scroll down, and you can see that add apps right here. So from in here, you can actually head over and install another apps like CJ Dropshipping, Judge the product reviews, as well as Caliveo right here, and Printify, and all of those things right here that you can choose from. And you can also integrate this on your actual Shopify. So you can enhance your Shopify experience by adding more apps in here and actually editing your actual page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.